Hello, welcome to my channel today. I will explain how I created this stuff, not really detail, but yeah, I will explain step by step. But before we jump this video, not sponsored by anyone. Show don't waste my time and your time. Yeah, don't waste my time and your time. Let's jump. First, I will start with solid color black just for background, and I put sky and moon. And I add mountain and cut it, another mountain, and I cut it again. I add this picture for ground and I copy and move to right, and I put it, this gate I combine from this picture and this. I add city psi, phi, and building. I say this city off name X. Now I start to coloring. On this step I use level, hue, and solid color and blend to color. I do this step to all stuff. Now I add army stormtroopers, copy, move to right and left. Continue copy till I got what I wanted. Arc monsters on the left and right. Spaceship for the battle on the air, and curve for the highlight. I do the same to all spaceship. Don't forget to add Darth Vader. Now start to add highlight and shadow to all stuff using curve and exposure. Add more tropes, put them like they in real combat. Coloring effect and all stuff must be like more realistic. Smoke, explosion, flash, and laser.